Hello, let's find the value of a plus b in this algebra expression. We are given a plus 2ab plus b equal to 8. So we are going to find the value of a plus b. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. From this expression, you see that there is a common term between these two expressions. So we are going to bring out the first common term, a, and this will become 1 plus 2b. And this will be plus b equal to 8. So in the next step, we are going to consider reducing this expression. And to reduce this expression, we are simply going to, let me do this. I'm going to multiply this place by 2, a 1 plus 2b, and also divide here by 2, which will make me not changing anything, and this will be equal to 8. So I've not changed anything. I only did that to make this solution easier for me. So if I do that, I'm going to have 2a multiplying 1 plus 2b, and all these will be divided by 2 plus b, and this will be equal to 8. Good. Now this expression can be reduced to we having this common term 2a multiply by, this will become 1 divided by 2 plus 2b divided by 2. If I separate those two expressions, plus b, and this will be equal to 8. From here, 2 can clear 2, and then that expression can give me a value which is 2a multiplied by 1 divided by 2 plus b, and this will be plus b, and this will be equal to 8. Great. Now we have one expression, half plus b. So we're going to work with that half plus b. If there is a way we can make this other expression half plus b, then we can be able to do that. Now to make this other expression half plus b, we are going to add half to these other two sides. So this will give us 2a multiplied by 1 divided by b plus b, and this will be plus 1 divided by 2 plus b, and this will be equal to 8 plus 1 divided by 2. So from that expression, you see that we'll now have in the next step 2a multiplied by 1 divided by 2. This is supposed to be 2, not b. That will give us 2 plus b, and this will be plus 1 divided by 2 plus b, and this will be equal to, if we simplify this will give us 17 divided by 2. Good. Now from this expression, in the next stage, we are simply going to simplify because we now have one common term, which is this and this. So if we take out 1 divided by 2 plus b, if we take out that, all of that divided by this will remain 2a plus this divided by half plus b will give us 1, and all this will be equal to 17 divided by 2. Good. So if we have that expression, we can now simplify. And if we simplify, let's see how we multiply the two sides by 2 to clear the fraction. So if this expression 2 multiply this expression 1 divided by 2 plus b, and this 2a plus 1, this will be equal to 17 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Why 2 clears 2? we'll have left 17. So this expression is now going to give us, this is going to give us 2b plus, this is going to give us 1, right? And this is going to give us 2a plus 1, and this will be equal to 17. So if we multiply this, when we multiply this by this is going to give us 1, which is this, and multiply this is going to give us 2b. So if we do that, we are going to have that expression to give us this. So this whole expression can now be equal to 2b plus 1 multiplied by 2a plus 1, and this can be equal to 1 multiplied by 17. 1 multiplied by 17 can still give us 17. So if I multiply the product of the both sides, we'll have this multiplying this and this multiplying this. So what do we have as our result? In the first case, we can have this multiplying 1 and 2a plus 1 multiplying 17. Or we can have 2b plus 1 multiplying 2a plus 1 equal to negative 1 multiplying negative 17. Now in this case, this will multiply this while this will multiply this. So if we simplify this and express them in form of two expressions, the first case is going to give us, we're going to have 2b plus 1 equal to 1, and we'll have 2a plus 1 equal to 17. And in the other case, we might have 2b plus 1 equal to negative 1, or we'll have 2b plus 1 or 2a plus 1 equal to negative 17. So if we simplify these two expressions, we are going to find the values of a and b. And the values of a and b, when we add both, should be able to give us the value of a plus b, which is requested from the earlier part of this question. Recall, we are asked to find the value of a plus b. So solving for a separately and finding the value for b separately will give us this solution. So from here, we'll see that 2b plus 1 is equal to 1. So what would that give us? 2b will be equal to 1 minus 1, and from there you find out that so 2b will be equal to 0. So let's divide both sides by 2 and divide there by 2 in order to find the value of b. From here, b will be equal to 0. So the value of b here is equal to 0. Now let's consider the second equation, 2a plus 1 equal to 17. From here, we have 2a plus 1 equal to 17. So 2a will be equal to, if we subtract 1 from both sides, 17 minus 1. So 2a will be equal to 16. If our 2a equals 16 and we divide both sides by 2, we're going to have here to be divided by 2 and here to be divided by 2. If 2 clears 2, then our a will be equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the expression is going to give us a equal to 8. So from this expression, we can see that a plus b will be equal to, we have our a to be 8 plus 0, and that will be equal to 8. So a plus b in this instance is going to give us 8. While on this other side, we are going to check the value of a plus b. From this expression, given 2b, plus 1 equal to negative 1. Our 2b will be equal to negative 1 minus 1, right? If this comes this way, then we are going to have our 2b to be equal to negative 2. We divide both sides by 2 and divide here by 2, then the value of our b will be equal to minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Considering the second expression, 2a plus 1 equal to 17. So if we have 2a plus 1 equal to negative 17, we have that to become negative 17. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. Here will become negative 17 minus 1. So our 2a will be equal to negative 18. So if we simplify this, we are going to have this to become divided by 2 and this divided by 2. Why 2 clears 2? Our a will be equal to negative 9. So you see that if we add a and b here, the value of a plus b will be equal to, we have our a to be negative 9, and our b is equal to negative 1. So negative 9 plus negative 1 is going to give us negative 1 minus 9, and that will give us negative what? 10. So this is going to give us negative 10. So the value of a plus b gives us two solutions, and it's either negative 10 or negative or positive 8. Those are the two solutions for a plus b. Now, this might seem strange, but I want us to check if our solution is absolutely right. I want us to check by inserting the value of a and b into that expression. Now, from this solution, to find out if our solution is right, from this solution we have our a to be equal to 8 and our b equal to 0. Remember the initial expression we are given? We are given that a plus 2ab plus b should be equal to 8. Now, if we have our a to be equal to, remember our a is equal to 8 and our b is equal to 0. And over here, we'll have our a to be equal to negative 1 and our b to be equal to negative 9, right? So if we have those expressions, our b is equal to negative 1 and our a is equal to negative 9. So if we have those two expressions we want to test, from this expression, the value of our a will become 8 plus 2 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 8 plus 0. Will this give us 8? We have 8 plus, this is automatically going to give us 0 plus 0, and this is equal to 8. So that means 8 on the left hand side is equal to 8 on the right hand side, which tells us that the value of a and b here are absolutely what? Right. While on this side, if we insert that into the expression, we are going to have a plus, remember the expression is a plus 2b, we have our a to be negative 9 plus 2 multiplied by negative 9 multiplied by negative 1 plus b, which is negative 1. So if we multiply this, we are going to have minus 9 plus 2 times this minus 9 times this will give us, that will give us plus 9 times 2, that's 18. This times this is going to give us negative 1, right? My negative 1, that will give us minus 1. So this minus 8 plus 18 is going to give us 9. And then we'll have 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8, which tells us that A equal to 8 is correct, minus 9, and B equal to -1 is also what? Correct. So what does that tells us? That the value we got for A plus B, which is 8 and -10, are absolutely the right solution to that mathematics expression given to us above. If you find this value or this solution interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.